High School Assembly constituency intending candidate Thonaujam Brinda has sharply criticized the state government, linking the rising homeless population in the state to weak governance and flawed public policies. Speaking at the 16th Blessing Day observance of Hope Home at Langjing in Imphal West, TH Brinda emotionally shared her own childhood hardships of growing up without parents. She emphasized the vital need to support and uplift the poor and weaker sections of society to build a progressive and equal community, pointing out that the number of people living in poverty has significantly increased since the eruption of the crisis on May 3rd of 2023. Brinda cited the lack of good governance as a major cause. She also stressed the urgent need to establish a strong government capable of providing social security and protecting vulnerable citizens.
Aswan babun nam thaba tuhat pana thallaba makhal gi lenga loan ama sei hundraga taruk si makhal makhagi chana patha mayam amada chatharak pagini ngasi awab gi sang hengalapa amasung tuhat pagi sang hengala ibasi gi maram se aran bana masing hengala imati punai dura tuhat pagi sang hengat pasida apik pa angang amasung nahana khwaidagi saw matam kumbada victim oy aduna laira angang masing hena thokla imati mapangal son ba naha thoklakani mapangal son ba nahana le imati khunai adugi yumbi do dum ti aga khunai adu sauthabada mangkhibada asoba mathau oigani aduna thoklaiba angang lamja sing se yokhatke lamja sembada aikoi yauroi si lamja sembagi mohutta angang mapangal kangkhat hansi hai taragadi aina ngasi charity ama tobana suyaroi amadagi mateng khaga pangakpana suyaroi aina thaaga angang yokadabana ti angang singro mathanda pangkhatpa any thorakpa situation amada angang sigi social security mahai tamna bagi layeng na bagi magi whole economic security amasung society gi oiba thunai sida leiba matamda ma se safe oi any phibam da ma sem gani mi oiba ngam gani haiba social security ama piba mathau tai.
Meanwhile, founder of Hope Home, Keishnil Bir, asserted that he treats the children taking shelter in the destitute home as his own and supports them in schooling and other necessities. He highlighted the significance of the events, stating that it marks the common birthday of the children in the home.
Why you are sending these children to private school? My children are studying in mission schools. So as long as they are with me, they become my children. That's why I'm sending them to private school. Let them grow like other children grow. So I'm very happy when they have education. I'm very happy when they have food. I'm very happy when they have center to stay.